Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cynthia and I thank you for clicking on this video here. So as you guys can see, we have a little unboxing haul from Bath & Body Works. And before we get into it though, I want to say I hope you guys had a great Easter weekend. I know mine was just fully packed with events and just busy this weekend. Busy. If you guys see my Instagram, you guys know I stay busy. So I couldn't get to this box that actually arrived on Saturday. But I'm really excited to use at least one of the products that's in there. I need to smell a couple of them, but yeah, I'm just really happy about that. Now let's get into the box. Like I said, let me open it. There's two products in here that are not for me because I actually already have them. And that's why this box is so big, because of what's in here. I will have to do some adjusting as far as the price because I don't get a discount on online orders. So I kind of have to do a little bit of adjusting there at my store. So let's see. Let's see what's in here. What do we have? A whole bunch of bubble bags. Okay, so this right here, it's literally what I've been most excited to get. And I don't see my receipt, like my order. Maybe it's at the bottom. No, I don't see it. Anyways, so we have the sweet petal pound cake. Yes, I've been waiting to smell this one, so you guys will have to wait for a second so I can spray it on my hands. Candied rose, raspberry swirl, and frosted bun cake. But before I do that, I'll go ahead and spray both. I do have the lid over here because it did fall off. This is the one I think I'm most excited for. Iced lemon pound cake. I've been hearing so much goodness about this. I'm just so excited to try this one. I feel like I already know, like, I'm gonna love it. Everybody that loves gourmands has been loving this one, which has sugary glazed icing, pure lemon zest, and fluffy pound cake. You guys know I love the candle, right? So, and then I've been loving also the PocketBac, and we have a hand soap now. Oh, just so excited that they brought it almost like in every form, just about. So let me pause for a second so I could spray it on my hands. Okay, so I smelled a lot of the items, guys, to compare, and then I brought out the iced lemon pound cake candle as well as my pink petal tea cake candle. And I just took out those two boxes. We'll open here in a second. Let's talk about these. So this one right here, upon spraying it on my hand, I feel like I smell a little bit more of the lemon zest in here and less of the pound cake note in the spray right here, which I still like, I enjoy, but I really like how I was saying, and smelling this iced lemon pound cake body cream, I can smell more of the pound cake in this one. I'm very excited actually to use this tonight. Yes, after my shower. This is the one I'll be using. I think I'll try this one tomorrow. So I'll put that on tomorrow. Because today, like, I already sprayed some stuff I'm trying to finish off, which is my little mini spray of the Gingham Gorgeous. I'm trying to finish that one off, so that's what I've sprayed on myself already. So we have this right here as well, just kind of like the body cream to me. It smells more of the pound cake. So excited to use this. Yes, I am loving it just like everyone else is. But of course, I love my gourmands. So this, and I think I'll throw a little bit of Kayali on top, the vanilla. Kayali 28 vanilla 28, something like that. That one. This one right here, I think it's been said already too though. It's not really pink petal tea cake. When it comes to the shower gel, I feel like it's light. I can hardly smell it. Like, I don't feel like it's a really strong scent, at least to me. Maybe I was smelling the pound cake way too much. Hold on. Yeah, I feel like it's really light, but I do smell like the rose. None of the raspberry note really in the shower gel. I think you might get just a little tiny bit of that raspberry note in this, but it's really rose in my opinion, like a really sweet rose, as it says candied rose. And the bun cake, I don't smell a lot of either, but it is like a sweet rose scent, which I really do love rose and I prefer. So this is a really beautiful scent to me. Like a lot of people haven't been loving this one, but I think a lot of people also don't really like rose and I do. So I think that could be it. I mean, I really don't know. So I really like it. You know, this one was one of those I was kind of a little bit worried about it after people have done like either reviews or, you know, their unboxings or showing their haul and talking about it because, you know, they really haven't been liking it. And this right here, the same, I can smell the rose. I think you can get a mixture out of the raspberry in here, but very light on the bundt cake, which is okay. You know, it's fine to me if it's not like strawberry pound cake or the iced lemon pound cake where you really get that pound cake note. It's just a really nice rose scent to me, in my opinion. I really do like it actually. So I'm excited. I'm excited about using this one tomorrow. This one definitely tonight. In fact, I wish I'd go take another shower right now and use it, but we don't have time because I got some other stuff. I want to go to the store and do like a walkthrough for you guys. So you guys should see this haul first, but make sure you check out the walkthrough. Even if it goes up late tonight after baseball, it will. Let me open this for you guys. Again, what's in here, hopefully it's not broken. It is not for me, but I will do some adjusting so I can, yeah, so I can get my discount on it. Let's see. Not bad, not bad. I don't think it's broken. This is the pink one. It's so beautiful. Look, basically it's that one. Yeah. This is such a good, you know, like also guys, I think it's a really nice if you give for Mother's Day, like a candle with this one right here, like even the Gingham Gorgeous with this pedestal, so nice. Let me open this. Okay, so I was having a hard time opening this. Look I already placed this on top. How cute does that look? Well, maybe the shower gel, since it's shorter, maybe that should go in the front, huh? Yeah, there you go. That looks cute. Anyways, let's open this next one. Let's open this one. I don't think these pedestals, maybe that's just my opinion because of how much I love them, they're not really like super expensive for our candle holders. So $34.95 at regular price. And a lot of you guys, I mean, hey, this weekend they had the 40% off. Totally could have bought it then, but this one doesn't have the other bubble wrap like the other one did, but everything came good, so no worries there. Again, like I said, $34.95. This is the lavender one, purplish one basically. And look at how beautiful these are. These are so nice. And again, like I said, Mother's Day is coming, so these are not for me. That's not gonna look good. I want this right here, this pedestal. I'm liking it so much in every color. Like imagine a yellow one like this. Yes, that would look very nice. So Bath and Body Works, these faceted glass candle holders are a hit. Go ahead and make more colors. I've asked for the red now the yellow. So there you go. That's all that I have for my haul, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Now I'm going to head over to the store and do a walkthrough. So check out that video next. And until the next one, my friends, I hope you guys enjoyed and stay blessed, guys. Bye.